as we as we all know that tomorrow we have a Kartik Purnima, and today we are going to close the school because too much traffic and rush all over the Balia, because people are coming from villages and from other cities also to take bath in holy river Ganga. Here, need to know about the Kartik Purnima, that why there is a celebration of Kartik Purnima. The name of Kartik Purnima is also, you can say, that Dev Diwali also, because it is after 15 days of a Diwali, right? In a Sikh, Jain and Hindu culture, in all culture, or if you can say all religion, we are celebrating Kartik Purnima with different names. Even in South India also, we are celebrating Kartik Purnima at a Yug level, and people are taking bath in the holy river Ganga. Uh, Mostly people are aware about the Kartik Purnima, because in Balia, when the Kartik Purnima there, this one is the first day of Dadri Mela, and after that, what you will get, that tomorrow is 8th of November, and from 8th of November to 30th of November we have a Dadri Mela, and Dadri Mela is the second largest fair after the you can say Bihar Mela, because Sonpur Mela is the first one and the second one is the Asia largest one is the Dadri Mela. And in Dadri Mela, people are coming from different villages and cities, that they are taking interest in purchasing of the things at a cheaper rate. But if you can say, the concept of a Dadri Mela in modern era is going totally in a vanish mode, because people are not taking too much interest in purchasing of things, because economy of India is going down due to the COVID crisis. And due to the COVID crisis, there is no, you can say, the pets fair also this year, because in the after COVID we have a disease of something else in the cows, buffalo and all. And due to this reason, there is no pets festival this year, pet fair this year. So we have to keep one thing in mind. First, there is a need of a health, and after that we have to go for any other thing. Tomorrow everybody will take bath, and everybody will go for a worship of a holy river Ganga, and you can take jalebi from the Dadri Mela, and you can take and you can eat it in a proper way, because you can go for a bath and after that there is some breakfast. Here the breakfast is a good jalebi and everybody is taking it. So from SN group of family, I am blessing and giving praises to all my whatever my colleagues and whatever my downlines, that they have to take the bath in holy river, and they have to make one thing, that everybody have to make the cleanness program. Like there is a need of a cleanness of a holy river also, because we are taking bath one day and after that nobody is visiting there, and too much dirt also there. So you can take care of it also, that you can't go for a use of a plastic and all garbages and all. There is no need that you can throw all the things in that river, because that one is totally for a worship, not for any other thing. So it's a message, and you can say simply a request from my side, that there is no need of exploitation of polythene and all there. You have to take care of yourself whenever you are going for a bath, and whenever you are going for a Deva Diwali in the Varanasi, that because you know very well that nearby Balia, Varanasi city, and lots of people are going for a Dev Diwali also, and people are taking hotels and they are going through the train, buses and all. And if you can go for a 1 or 2 days of one day is the Dev Diwali, people are going through the evening and they are going through the buses, and also due to this only there is a rise in the economy of the Varanasi. So this kind of a thing also needed in Balia, that people will come to the Balia and they will take interest in when there is in Kartik Purnima, and the second name the Dev Diwali, the people will take interest, and people will come from different countries also, if you can say, because in Varanasi people are coming from different countries to take the look of a Dev Diwali, because in Diwali if you can go for that thing, that Ayodhya there, and after that they are coming for a Dev Diwali in Varanasi. Thanking to all of you, because this one is only a message that no use of plastic needed, because after some time we have a safe soil campaign also to save the soil. We are going through a natural thing, natural habitats and natural things needed, and that's the reason SN group is day by day using the natural things and day by day working for the natural thing, that people will take interest in nature and they will go for organic things. They will not go for that thing that are totally artificial and they can exploit the environment. So it's a request from my side, and from my student side and from my teacher side, that no need to use the plastic tomorrow, no need to avoid plastic, and need to take care of yourself. Thank you. Thank from my side. Thank you.